Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here with the final look at our project in Harrisonville, Missouri. We finished up everything yesterday, got everything cleaned up. We just wanted to do one more quick look at everything. So you know, from this project, when we initially started, we had about a foot of standing water all across this basement floor. So we installed a new sump pump, fixed some of the piping that was going on with that to get the water out of here. That way we could get in and actually do our work. First thing that we started on, you see right here, we saw cut the floor very neatly, removed the existing concrete, and created 8 2-foot by 2-foot at 2-foot thick high-strength concrete footings. And then we installed our 6x6 treated wood support post right here. Got everything properly secured to the load-bearing existing beams here. Next step was to start the stone foundation renovation in the spots that where the walls were already good. We simply just started scraping any kind of loose mortar and stone out from the walls, and then applied new, fresh concrete mortar, as you can see, from top to bottom, corner to corner. And then, once that was dry, we painted it with the white Drylock waterproofing paint that you see right here. The third stage of this project, in the areas where the wall was bulging, for example, right here, and then this entire area right here, we installed temporary 6x6s to support the floor joists. And then we simply pulled out that bulging stone, re-mortared it back into place to a vertical position, and then continued with the stone foundation renovation portion of the project. So, moved everything right along there. Everything's looking very, very nice. We'll take a quick look at the outside, just so you can kind of see what we did there. There were certain spots where we excavated on the outside just to seal up the walls from that side. So we've since backfilled all that now. Right here on the back, if you remember from our earlier videos, this pad was leaning down towards the house. So we brought that back up to level. And yeah, everything you see here, all the backfill work that we've done. Our main goal here was to do everything as nice and neat as we could possibly get it. We even did these little extra cinder block deals around the new window frames that we got back installed. If you, again, remember from the earlier videos, a lot of those frames were leaning. So we removed those old ones, installed new wood, and got everything looking very nice right here. And then here's the last little bit. So that is essentially it for this project. It was a long project for us, but in the end, I really would stress taking a look at that before and after. You can really see the changes that these stone foundation renovation projects have. They're my favorite projects to video just because of that before and after. So if you haven't already, please check us out on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you haven't been there already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. Of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.